Now children, second video. We were doing chapter rural livelihood. We talked about the meaning of rural and livelihood. Then we talked about agriculture. Then we talked about categories of farmers. The second category is small farmer. Who is a small farmer here children? In the village Kalpattu? Sekhar, right? Sekhar has only 2 acres of land. What does he do? As Kalpattu is a coastal village, so children, Sekhar, he also grows paddy in his fields. Very good. He works on his own farm. He does not employ any landless laborers. No laborer is employed in his field. What does he do? He works on his own farm. And whenever required during harvesting, he takes the help of other small farmers. Then, if he needs seeds and fertilizer, he takes them as loan. Loan from whom? Loan from whom? Traders. And when he takes this loan, to repay this loan, what he does? He has to sell his paddy to the trader at a very low price. Then when he doesn't get price, it means he is not so rich as Ramalingam. And when he has given some paddy to the trader, some paddy he will use at home, so he needs more money. To have more money, he has a cow. It's a hybrid cow. He sells the milk of this cow in village cooperative. What is village cooperative? That we will tell you in the last lecture. So I think this Sekhar is clear to everyone. Okay children? And Ramalingam is also clear, who is a big farmer. Now let's move to the landless laborer. Who is landless laborer? Thulsai. And landless laborer is a third category of the farmers. Now children, this Thulsai, let me write it more clearly. It is not very clear. So it is Thulsai. She has no land. She doesn't have any land, children. That is why no land, very poor. She works as a laborer. Where? Works on Ramalingam's field, his farms. How? On daily wages. Like per day she is paid. If she is not coming for the work, or if the work is not there, Ramalingam is not paying anything to Thulsai. She earns only 40 rupees per day. There are 4 months in a year when she does not have any work. Now children, see, if you compare Ramalingam, 25 to 30 acres land. Sekhar, 2 acres land. Come to Thulsai, she has no land. Ramalingam use modern machinery. Sekhar works with the help of bullock cart. And Thulsai does not have a land, so how she will work with all these machinery? Ramalingam earns highest, Sekhar middle, and Thulsai is very poor. Sekhar also takes the loan, Thulsai also takes the loan, because both need them. Other than this work, Thulsai is doing all other work also. She is cooking food, she is washing, she is cleaning house. Even she has to go in the forest area to bring the firewood. So see, she is working in Ramalingam's field also from, I gave you time in the last lecture. What was the time? 8:30 in the morning till 4:30 in the evening. And other than this, she is doing all this work also, children. She has to stand for long hours in the fields, and then her water is in the water for a longer period of time, which is very painful. But after doing so much thing, she's not earning anything. Now we'll revise next. We'll talk about this chapter more in the next video.